Now look what they're doing to Kenya. After they've done it to Haiti, destroyed Haiti, then ask Kenya to come and help in Haiti. But you see, in the spirit, that's what happens. The guys in Kenya didn't realize, if they had read the book of Acts and read about the 7 sons of Sceva, sometimes called Sceva, they would have known. Because those guys called the name of Jesus, by whom Paul preached, over the man that was demon-possessed. And what happened? The man, he said, Jesus I know, Paul I know, who are you? And leaped on them.
Yes, sir.
So, same thing. What? Did they know that demons went to Haiti? Those were the works of demons.
Yes, sir.
And then they went to Haiti to invite the same. They didn't realize it. And those devils followed them straight to Kenya and created these terrible things in Kenya. You see, it's not about the protesters at all. No. Question is, what made the president and his parliament do the things they did? What pushed them? Something pushed them. The same way David was pushed to number Israel and brought trouble. And what it led to the death of 70,000 men. He didn't know what he was doing, even though he was a good man. So sometimes you see bad things happen to good people, especially if they're not listening. So when you're listening to the Spirit, you know how to respond.